This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a nice bed liner, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, window deflectors with a keyless entry keypad, heated door mirrors with blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. We do get plenty of door space in the back. Floor mats, carpeted interior, your 6 additional seats just right there, 12-volt cup holders. And we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a manual or power driver's seat and manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered mirrors, powered windows, powered locks, lights. Got your light for your aftermarket light bar, and parking brake and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 160,076 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen, which you can then go for display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. We can switch between your tow and haul mode, sport modes, and you got your speeds just right there. Cup holders with some storage, more storage here. Your 6 additional seat with your storage below, and you can flip those out so you have a couple more cup holders. Got sink, USBs, 12-volt, little storage here with trailer backup, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. We got heated front seats and your climate controls, 12-volt and 110 storage below. And on the dash, we do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our traction, hazards, and auto stop auto start. You can also turn on your heated seats from just right here, which is all pretty handy, and then it does connect down there. Navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, SiriusXM. Got your climate controls up here or down there, whatever you prefer. Phone, navigation, apps, SiriusXM Travel-Link, or any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings, Apple CarPlay, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8169A, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.